God damn it. Uh, Day 9. So there's still 34 days left. Oh shit. Anyways, the plan for today is to go towards Khapoli first and catch up with Gaurav and Delton and the guys because they are attempting their first 200 BRM. Now, I was supposed to start a little earlier, but I don't know, man. The snoozing of alarms was like an involuntary reaction. It was like my hand had Parkinson's or something. It was just continuously shutting the alarms off without my knowledge. So, anyways, I'm going to play catch up. They first go and do a loop of the old highway from till Khapoli and back. So I think by the time they're back, I should catch them near the turn for the Goa highway, and then I'll probably ride with them. They're attempting their first 200 BRM, so this is going to be a very long day for them, and I'm sure they can use some assistance from me. So yeah, and that's all I want, to be at least of some assistance, because I know how hard long days on the saddle can be. Okay, so today is going to be a really long day on the bike. It's going to be one ride. I'm not going to be breaking it between an outdoor and an indoor ride. I'm expecting it to be at least 200 kilometers, maybe more. So for a ride like today's, it's really important that I carb load. So I ate a very fat meal yesterday, and I'm having some oats right now before the ride also, because I know today is going to be really hard on the body and I'll need all the calories to get through today. So carb loading is one very good tip before a big day. Make sure you eat a heavy meal, only one meal obviously, just the dinner. Don't carb load the whole day. Just eat a heavy meal on the night before your event. So that will really help, especially for events such as BRMs, etc. It can really do wonders, trust me. So definitely carb load before big days. Okay, so one more neat trick you guys can do on days when you're going for a long ride. So if you guys don't happen to have electrolytes or anything with you, what you can do is simply add like a spoon of sugar and half a spoon of salt, and you're good to go. That will pretty much take you through at least the first 6-7 hours, and make sure that your salts and sugars are in check while riding. So that's a very cheap jugadu idea that you guys can use, and it works. I can completely testify to that. It definitely works. Next up, Khapoli.
Same route again and again and again. So how much have you done already? Close to maybe 80, 70. Real men ride fixies. Dude, you got people drafting you, man. You're pulling people. Yeah. So that's not allowed. They said clearly even rider pacing is not allowed.
No. I think racing you can't draft.
Against what? Vehicles or people?
People and vehicles.
Okay.
You can't do that. That's why we're going parallel to each other. Just to keep that.
There were people on your wheel, dude. Yeah, right now.
Yo, what's happening?
What's up?
How's it going, man?
Good. How are you guys feeling? I like this Khapoli highway.
Yeah. And good company also, I guess.
Yeah, absolutely. These guys are attempting, I think, their first 200 BRM. So I'm just out to support, cheer on, and at the same time complete my target ride today. I want to do at least 200 more, well and good, but at least 200. Plus new route, with friends. This just makes life easy on the saddle. You know what I mean? मतलब सुपर रॉन्डनर।
हाँ
तो आपने बोला आप 8 टाइम SRO मतलब?
मैं तो 8 टाइम मैंने अभी 8 टाइम, दिस इज 8 टाइम, 7 SR I have completed.
हाँ
SR meaning you have to complete 200, 300, 400, 600 kilometer rides.
600
600 also.
ओके। वो मतलब एक सीजन में ना?
एक सीजन में, हाँ एक सीजन
तो वो आपका मतलब 1 टाइम SR हो गया।
1 टाइम SR.
तो वैसा आप 8th सीजन पे हो?
अभी 8 सीजन नहीं, अभी सीजन तो मेरा तीसरा सीजन चल रहा है।
अच्छा 3 में ही आपने 8 बार रपा दिया?
हाँ
माँ कसम।
तो बहुत सारे, अरे इंडिया में तो बहुत सारे, एक अपना गुरु है जिसने 1 साल में 16 मारा है।
16?
शंतनु चक्रवर्ती। वो मेरा खास फ्रेंड है, उससे इंस्पायर होके मैं भी लास्ट टाइम मारने वाला था लेकिन कोरोना आ गया बीच में।
अरे हाँ बट सही है सर।
टेरिफिक। वो गिनीज बुक और रिकॉर्ड होल्डर है
और
वो बंदा।
किस चीज़ का रिकॉर्ड है उसके पास?
उसके पास मोटर बाइक, उसने 24,000 किलोमीटर विदाउट रिपीटिंग द रूट
हाँ
इंडिया में किया है विद मोटर बाइक।
वाह।
और अभी उसमें इधर तो किया है रिकॉर्ड 16 SR का, अनबीटेबल रिकॉर्ड इन अ ईयर, 16 SR।
इनक्रेडिबल।
मैड है मैड, जबरदस्त है वो।
सीनियर है या यंग आदमी है?
ही जस्ट 40 आई थिंक।
40?
ही इज अनमैरिड पर्सन।
आई लाइक हाउ यू सेड अनमैरिड। सबसे बड़ा एडवांटेज है वो।
ऐसे करो तो अनमैरिड कर सकते हैं।
वरना SR नहीं, सिर्फ मिस्टर ही रहोगे आप।
You had a puncture and the sealant.
हाँ सील हो गया सरप्राइजिंगली। यार ब्रो सरप्राइजिंग, 2 साल से मैंने डाला नहीं है ब्रो, ध्यान ही नहीं दिया मैंने। थोड़ा कम हुआ है प्रेशर, अभी डाल लेता हूँ।
No, so it filled up?
या
You heard it?
या अरे इट वाज लीकिंग, आई सॉ द वाटर आल्सो कमिंग आउट लाइक।
I saw like a white color.
हाँ वाइट थिंग समवेयर हियर ओनली इट मस्ट हैव।
What are you saying?
या
That's crazy. Good stuff.
स्लाइम इज द बेस्ट, बाकी सब मैंने ट्राई किया बकवास है।
No, it's not very big. This is tiny. वो टूरिंग का सामान पैक करके तो लाया है। I'm prepared for anything.
दैट्स आल्सो बैड।
Now press the center button. Okay, it's already filling. Can you hold something? No. Go up. Okay. Yeah, now it's filling. That's it. It'll happen. It'll take like about 5-10 minutes, but it'll happen completely.
That's pretty sorted. Thanks to Gaurav for that. That was the first checkpoint. Everybody, Gaurav, Premal sir, Delton and Adi, they've all made it through the first checkpoint. That's Gaurav behind me. He had some problem with cramps and all, but he's soldiering on. Tough guy. I don't think he's going to give up at all. So yeah, I think we're all on course. I mean, apart from me, I'm just here for the fun, for the company. But these guys are all on course, and I think they'll all make it. They'll all smash the 200, man. That's pretty cool. And I just realized that BRMs are no joke. I mean, these guys put some serious elevation into the BRMs. I don't know, I might just get into this stuff. It's pretty cool, man. Plus I like, I like the travel part of it. Like the routes they've taken. I've never done these routes. I don't know, like I don't think I've even driven this part of this stretch of highway. Incredible, man.
A few moments later.
Okay, so the tube inside the wheel originally had sealant and it did seal a puncture, but while riding, I don't know how, but the valve literally broke in half. Like from here, the valve was half broken. Like when I got down and I saw it was literally half, and I tried to fill it, it just came off. So it was broken from here. I think it was just because it was an old tube. 2.5 years it lasted through that tube with slime sealant. So not bad. Anyways, let's fix the puncture quickly. Okay, so it's been an eventful afternoon. I've had 2 punches back to back. I lost 2 tubes. Now I have no spare tubes, so I'm just going to wing it. We are, I think, we're going to reach the 128 kilometer mark. That's Premal sir. And the guy in the fluorescent cape. Last 35 odd kilometers to go. Beautiful Maharashtrian countryside. Is it just me, or does that mountain look like a giant thumbs up Facebook like? Am I the only one who sees it? Do you see it too? Looks like, right? Like a thumbs up, like Facebook like. I don't know, I think I've been on the bike too long. I'm seeing things now. I think the ride ends any moment now. The ride ends any moment now. Where is everybody? Oh, there they are, there they are. Hey.
Never again. Smile for the camera. Last year, person last year. Oh man.
Never again. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
So that's that. Now a quick 45-kilometer dash back home because I really need to get off the bike, man. I just got home. The journey from Vashi to right up till Malad was pretty okay, but then Kandivali flyover on the highway is under construction, so this jam was horrible. Whatever I had in the tank was just sucked out by the jam. Very tired, man. Today I feel really tired. Really tired. Anyways, it was a big day. Got 260 kilometers in the bag. Not bad. Whew. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, again. I don't know how I'm gonna be riding. Oh god. Okay, if you guys are wondering where day 7 and day 8 went, well, we didn't vlog them, and the reason for that, well, we had clearly bitten more than we could chew, and we knew this by day 3, day 4 itself, that this is not going to work out, riding 150, 200 kilometers every day, along with vlogging, and then the data transfers and the edits and everything. It was just too much. I was going crazy, Hansel was going crazy. So what we've decided now is that we'll only vlog the big days where maybe we'll be on a new route or something, or riding with new people. So the day has to be interesting enough for me to vlog it. I can't just do the same route over and over again and show you the same boring video over and over again. It'll be boring for you, it'll be boring for me, it'll be boring for everybody. So yeah, we decided to cut back and maybe not have this as a daily vlog thing. It's not like I'm not going to be riding every day. I'm still clocking 150 to 200 kilometers daily, but it's just that I won't be vlogging it. If you want to keep up with my daily mileage and my stats, make sure you swing by on Strava or Instagram, Facebook, wherever. But yeah, that's an update for you guys from this vlog onwards.